Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other aliases and nicknames. And today we're drawing Angus. And as usual, I had gone through with a Ticonderoga T420 blue and kind of roughed it out, and this is the pencils. Now here I am going over it with the Pigma Microns, and this is the part where you're really kind of given a final commitment to these lines. I never try to be perfect with the blue lines. You just have to start somewhere. It's kind of like a lump of clay. You got to start shaping it into something, and then you can see how I corrected that sleeve on his left hand there. And look at that ear. That ear, it was way far out there, and then I just brought it back in because when I looked at it, I saw that it was way out there. And so that's the great thing about going in with the blue pencil first, to just find out where things are. Got the Sharpie for this word balloon here, and the eyeball. I had to change the Sharpie out here. Yep. Now it's coming to life. Filling in the mouth here. Just adding a few little last minute details here, and then okay, here we go. This is the final black and white part, and I'm pretty happy with this one. We got the character in a pose that's original to looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh, look at that. Right off the bat, he's adding some extra. Yeah, he added the cap, the end of the brim, I guess you would say. And he added a line around the face there. Oh, what's that? He's adding some kind of thing around the eye there. I don't even know what that is. Pink nose, that makes sense. Yeah, okay. He's really gotten good at filling this stuff in. I mean, it's a lot to go through and fill in these spaces. I'm not sure why he's using the small end on this one, but that's what he did. And I noticed I kind of came by at one point, and he had been adding some shadows, darker colors, the darker green. This is an original composition, so he's got nothing to look at except, he just got his memory of the character and then what I drew. And so these, like that sleeves right there, it's just all him. And when I saw him put those in, I recommended that he, you can see my hand come in and recommend that he put, continue that shadow on the hat. But other than that, that was the only contribution that I made. So I don't know if anyone knows what the bottom of his shoes look like, but we decided to just have some lines going across. I just wanted to make something that was different from everything else that's on the internet. He's embellishing the eye there. I don't know how many characters there are that look like this. There's apparently a lot of them. Every time we come back to it, it seems like there's more and more of them. So this is one where he said this was the first time we've ever seen anything like this, the different colors on the bruh. Also, that was something I threw in because that's what 2 says all the time, bruh. Here he is drawing his logo, D2U. That's a new one, and the good old red 2 on top. And then he comes in with the cat logo here. I think, oh, no, this is the mini. He's got the mini version of Angus over here, so we should be seeing some green. Oh, there's the cat. Okay, cat logo. And, oh, that's so cute. Look at that. That's great. And then what's he writing? Loafing. He's writing loafing on there. That's when the cat curls up like a loaf of bread and tucks the arms in. Loafing. Here comes the mini for Angus. That is great, isn't it? He started doing that, and we've done a lot of characters with that little mini right there. Filling in that part there. And then what's this? Meow. All right. Well, that music means we're coming to the end of another video. We had a great time doing this, internet. I hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.
Yeah.